Okay, so our seventh question is the true statement amongst the following is. Now these are the four statements given to us and they are all dealing with S and delta S. So first let's see what S and delta S are. So firstly, S is entropy and delta S is change in entropy. Now if you know that the formula for entropy is integration of NC dt divided by T, where T is temperature and it's being integrated from 0 to T temperature, right? So this implies that entropy is a function of temperature. Now let's check for delta S, and the formula for delta S is integration of dq by T, right? Where T is again temperature. So this implies that delta S is also a function of temperature. Now let's read the statements. The first statement says S is a function of temperature but delta S is not a function. So this is false. Therefore the first statement is wrong. The second statement says that both delta S and S are functions of temperature. This is correct, as you have just seen. The third statement says that both S and delta S are not functions of temperature, which again is wrong. And the fourth statement says that S is not a function of temperature, but delta S is a function of temperature. So here it says S is not a function of temperature. Therefore, this is also wrong. So the right answer is B. Let's check the answer. Yes, B is the right answer.